So now I want to take my little rattle, and this helps also, excuse me, this also helps to break up any stagnant energies and fill the room with positiveness and just to help get rid of all that stagnant energy. So I'm just going up and down your body. Now I'm going to go down your sides. Now kind of going through your aura, fluffing that up a little bit. Okay,